They are good quality buildings. We have done extremely well.
Magiga yoko baso mutimuko moke kubwatikana no bacholiyo bonene bubwa gukorekana bona bulitiko lyankyo nigo chiskuru chonsi chichikoba echiko igurwa na bolkiyo akurena chiskuru umunyakiro gubweki ombe egiye chiskuru chisogodali ekiyekorwa Kenya Secondary Schools Association kai indimuli ni gobonate bribuna nigo baliange kigima na bigo bero britie ego chaka amaorokelyo onsi ye chiskuru na boyigo samatemo manene ayo chokorekana asumutinyo ikome na kabire umwakoyo chingaki cho nigo asabire obotoereru chingaki obomo buri bwazimio la umoja one Kenya bulireti kwanda busubiki gambiro iliyo chukwamiria obocholi obubwaba bogo korekana na bigo koraligwa amatuka make aitire.
So any further delay would mean one, we may not be able to get the students ready for the exams in December, and we may also end up delaying the transition. Now, to the parents who have been preparing to get the students to school on Monday, they received information that there is postponement. Many had already booked for their children to travel, especially those who are in national schools and in boarding schools away from their homes, have had to cancel. Some, I'm sure, may not have even heard the announcement, and we may be getting students arriving in schools tomorrow. I would only want to call on my colleagues to be available so that they can receive any students who may arrive tomorrow. We've joined the rest in asking for calm so that we can finish off with this electioneering period, get those who have garnered more votes start working, and we let our education sector continue to churn out the people that we are expected to do and join the job market and continue building our nation. This year, we are expecting to have a national examination again in December. We are just at the period of preparing these candidates for the national exams, and the closure really affects that final preparation for the students. Knowing very well that we are also in the period of transiting from the current 844 curriculum to the new CBC, where we have the first group of students, the first cohort, joining grade 7 in January 2023.